Hi, this is the Dyson V10 Absolute, and there is also a Dyson V10 Animals. This is the more expensive one between the both. Let's do a quick unboxing and see what we have in this box. Brand new, just arrived. How do we open this box? This is probably the top. There is a tape here and also one here. And ta-da! The box is open. What do I have here? Let's see. Okay, so there are papers here. I don't know, important notes and other things. And we have here all the brushes, the Dyson itself. A telescopic handle. How did we close it? Nice color. Nice color. Orange something. Brushes. Brush one, second one. What other things in this box? The charger, of course. Okay. One brush. Nice, this is a very soft one. I think this is for a wood type surface. So it's like a parquet or something like this. There is another brush. Okay, this is the heavier brush. So this is like for a granite, porcelain or other surface. Too many parts. The Dyson with the battery. The battery is already inside. We have some stickers here, probably explain how to use it. A second, I will put all the things back on the table. This is probably the part that you install on the wall for the charger to put the battery or all the Dyson in. Two parts. It's pretty complicated. Sheet, box, and another brush. Whoa, how many brushes? This is insane. Another brush and another brush. Now I understand what I pay for brushes. Not the Dyson, it's all the brushes. Aha. Okay. The box is empty, I think. So let's look again on all the parts. Oh, by the way, it comes charged. This is interesting. charge 2 LEDs out of 3. So this is nice, you can immediately use it because this is a lithium cell, so it comes pre-charged with I see 2/3 capacity of the battery, so you can immediately use it. And I think this is all. Now, how to install all these things? Probably the small thing, just to put it like this. I have the sticker here to explain how to empty all the trash. And probably I have to take it out. This is the way to empty the trash. You just let's say push this when it is closed. You push the red trigger toward the end of it, and it's inject all the trash immediately. Nice, nice, nice. So if you want to use other parts, of course you have to put this part like this, and then on the other side you can use one of all the brushes that came. So I have here for this part, I think I can use just these 2 brushes because there are motors inside that of course rotate it. Let's see if I'm right. So now I will push the trigger, and yes, it is rotating. So this one is rotating, and this one probably is also rotating. Yes, yes it is. And this also rotates because I see here a motor. The small brush also can rotate. And let's see. You don't see it? Yes, it does. Now, the question that I'm asking myself right now, if I can use it without this handle directly. Let's see. Probably yes. Yes! You can use it without the extension, and it will rotate the motor. So probably, yes, there are of course pins here that transfer voltage to the motor to rotate. What is special about this Dyson is that it can work up to 1 hour continuously, not like the other parts. Of course, if you're using the maximum power, it is okay. I see here 1, 2 and max. So there are 3 options to use it. So the max, wow. So I guess on the first dot it will work up to 1 hour continuously. And I got with it this kit that it is Dyson V8 kit that probably is suitable as a gift when I bought it. So I'm not sure that if I will need to open it at all, because I have too many brushes to use. So that's all. I hope you enjoy, and I will do a review about the result while working with it. So bye bye for now.